Hello. Yeah, hi. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Yes, I'm here. Please wait some.
Yeah, hi.
I'm
True, true,
here.
true. Have some doubt. Actually, that's why I fixed it. So,
So we,
hello.
okay.
Yeah, yesterday you explained right, how to install the hello.
Ah,
అందుకనే చూస్తే ఒక క్లారిటీ ఉంటుందంట అందుకే అక్కడ
bye రా.
So, good evening, everyone, guys. And Murali, I'll explain you later. Okay, please. Okay, I'll back again.
Yeah,
Please slowly we'll go to our session, guys. See, in
yeah.
our last session, slowly we started. Predefined keywords, and second one is what user-defined keywords. Here, predefined keywords are language-defined keywords, and those keyword purpose and meaning not changed by the developer. And one keyword is nothing but a one Python programming statement. The next one is a user-defined keyword. User-defined keywords are nothing but a identifiers. Means sometime programmer is going to writing some class name, variable name, method name. Even developer also defines some very property name, entity names. Then what we call then what we call, sir, user-defined keywords, sir. User-defined keywords. But when you go with user-defined keywords, and there we have a some rules, are the rules are very very important. Rules are okay. Rules are you know we have some rules, sir. The first rule is what? The identifier name must start with uppercase letter like A to Z, small a to Z, and 0 to 9, and we can use underscore also. And identifier must not start with digit. Keyword name don't should not use any keyword names. The next one, and the special character is not allowed. Variable name length is any length, sir. So this part is completed. And today we are going with one more important concept is what variables. Python variables, sir. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. Then, sir, what is the variable? Simple. Variables are, okay, variables are name of the memory location. Variables are the name of the memory location, sir. Name of the memory location. See, the use of variables are the use of variables are use of variables are use of variables are use of variables are to store the values, sir. To store the values in program, values in program. And here I am giving one more word, and supply values to the program. Supply values to the program. Supply values to the program, sir. Program. That is what variable. Here I am going to using one more word. Variables are input statements. Input statement. By using variables, we are going to providing some inputs to the program. Simply variables are input statements. The next one, sir, in variable, which value you are going to give in, that value is not fixed. The value will be changed. Here I am giving very, very important point. Okay, in variables, value is not a fixed. Value is not a fixed. Value is not a fixed. Value always Okay, always change. Always change. So, which value you are going to store in the variable? The value is not fixed, my friends. Value always change. So, this is the small story about our variables. Again, I am repeating, variables are name of the memory location. The use of variables are to store values in the program and supply values to the program. Variables are input statements. In variables, value is not fixed. Value always changed. Okay. The next one, this is the small definition and introduction of variables, sir. Then how to declare, sir? Declaration of variables. Declaration of variables, sir. So in Python, how many ways we are going to declaring the variable? Sir, guys, basically we can declare the variables in three ways. Three ways. So let's see one by one. The first way is nothing but a single variable and a single value. Single variable, single variable and a single value. Single variable and a single value. First type declaration. So basically variable can declare in three ways. The first one is single variable and single value. Now come to the syntax. Syntax means what? It can tell you how to declare the variable. The rules are simple. What you will do here, you can use a variable name and is equal to, here you can use the values, sir. Simple. First syntax. First syntax. Now here I am giving some example. You will get more clarity, right? Okay, roll number is equal to 120. Guys, understand. Here roll number is a variable name. 120 is a value. Then name is equal to, here I am giving my name Yakub. Okay, name is a variable name. Yakub is a value. And before going, sir, here, 120 is a integer type data. Integer means it is a number type. Simply what we call number. And suppose if you define group of character, it is nothing but a string. Strings always declare in Python within double quote and single quote. And here I am giving name to. Name to is equal to, here I am giving, okay, suppose within the single quote, CareerIT I given. Okay, even this is also string. So roll number is a variable name, 120 is a value. Name is a variable name, Yakub is a value. Name to also variable name. Okay, CareerIT is nothing but a value. The next one, salary. Salary is a variable name and 4500.00. Now, this is nothing but a value. So, suppose, even 4500 also number, but it is nothing but a decimal number, sir. Then what we call it is a floating point value. Floating point value, sir. Floating point value. The next one. Okay, B is equal to, I given the true. True. It is a Boolean value.
Boolean
Bull value. Bull value. So this is the first type declaration, sir. Again, I am repeating here. All type I given. Okay, roll number is a variable name and 120 is nothing but a value. The next name is a variable name. Yakub is a value, is string value. This is called single variable and single value. Single variable and single value. First approach. Then I am coming with second approach, sir. Then what happened? Multiple variables with multiple values. Multiple values. The second type of declaration in Python. Second type of declaration. Now I am writing the syntax. Syntax tell you how to declare the variable. Syntax. Because now variable 1, comma, variable 2, comma, variable 3. Guys, understand. Three variables I declare. And here I can val1, okay, comma, val2, and value 3. Like this you can declare. Syntax. Now here I am giving the example number. Okay, example number 2 with the second declaration, right? Look here, sir. X comma y comma z. X comma y comma z means x, y, z are variable names. 100 200 and 300. These are the values. Means, my friends, suppose if you write print X, means it can print 100 value. Print, print Y. Print Y. Okay, it can print 200 value. Print, print Z. Okay, print Z. It can print the 300 value. So we can declare multiple variables with multiple values only. And not only string, not only number, we can declare name also. Name also. Now understand? Okay, name 1, comma, name 2, comma, name 3. Like this I given. The first name is a career. Okay, IT. First name, comma. Second name I given the Yakub. Okay. Third name I given the Tony. Like this I given the 3 names, sir. Name 1 can store CareerIT. In name 2, it can store Yakub. In name 3, it can store the Tony. Sir, I want to print at a time 3 values. Yes, you can print it. Name 1, comma, name 2, comma, name 3. So when you write like this, automatically 3 values are printed. So this is what second type of declaration. Like this, you can declare number type, string type. That is depends on your requirement. The third type, sir, third type means a multiple variable with a single value. The second one is third one is a multiple variables. Okay, multiple variables with a single value. Single value. Multiple variable with a single value. Multiple variable with a single value. Multiple variables with a single value. What happened? Multiple variables with a single value, sir. Okay, remember 3 ways. The next one, how we can declare. Suppose here I am giving the syntax. Okay, syntax. Here I am giving the syntax. Know how to declare multiple variable. Variable 1 is equal to variable 2 is equal to variable 3 is equal to, here you get the values. Value. This is the syntax. Now I am coming. Suppose x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to, here I given the 500 value. Sir, I want to print it. Simple print x comma y comma z. So if you print like this, okay, for x value is 500, y value is 500, and z value also 500. Not only integer value, sir, I want to give the string value. Now name 1, comma, name 2, comma, name 3. Not comma, sir, is equal to, name 1 is equal to, name 2 is equal to, name 3 is equal to. Okay, name 1, name 2, name 3. Okay, like this 3 values I given. 3 values I given, sir. So in name 1, name 2, name 3, in name 1, name 1, name 2, name 3, and here I am giving one value. The value name is nothing but CareerIT. Okay, CareerIT. So CareerIT, sir. This one I am coming. Okay, CareerIT. So okay, IT I am giving. So then next, if you do print name 1, comma, and name 2, comma, and name 3. At a time I am going to print it. So here what happened? 3 times it can print CareerIT, sir. Name 1 value is CareerIT. Okay, and name 2 value is CareerIT, and CareerIT, and name 3 all value also CareerIT, sir. So with string value, sir, I want to give some decimal floating point value, sir. Then what happens? Suppose here I am giving 3 variable names, sir. Salary is equal to, okay, price is equal to, rate is equal to. So when I am going talking about the amount always give with floating point value, means decimal value. 120. 12. Suppose 12,000.00. I given. Now, so if you print here salary value, now salary value is what, sir? 12,000.00. And if you print rate, comma, price, what happened? And here you can print 12,000.00. Again, 12,000.00 will be printed. I will show you all this one. Don't worry about it. So just I am giving the some example. Sir, this is the our variable story. So guys, remember again, I am reminding you in Python, variable can declare three types. Single variable, single value. Multiple variable, multiple values. Multiple variable with single value, sir. So tomorrow, while developing our application, this all approach we are going to using according to our requirement. So this is the story about our variable, guys. Right? Sir, understand. Var1, var2, var3, variables. Value is nothing but a value. Here, name1, name2, name3 are variable names. CareerIT is nothing but a value. Guys, understand. Name1, name2, name3 given by programmer. So these are the user-defined identifiers. User-defined identifiers. And when you define user-defined identifiers, please, you must be remember 5 rules. This is very, very, very powerful concept. This is the story about our variable topic, right? So, sir, once the variables topic is completed, the very powerful concept is nothing but a data types, sir. Data types. Sir, here I am going to highlighting. Again, same repeated will become, but then what is the data types and how many data types we have? Okay, then data types describe you or what type of data you want to store in the variable. So data is nothing but an individual raw fact. Suppose 10 is a one data. Your name is one data. Any property name, suppose petrol bunk name is a data. Bank name is data, right? Your name, your address, okay, your height, your weight, color. Okay, this is data. Suppose I am taking employee. I want to store the employee information. Employee contain the data. What kind of data? Suppose employee ID is a data. Employee name is a data. Employee salary is a data. But ID is what type? ID is a pure number. Then how to store pure number? Name is a string. How to store it? Who will describe? Data type can describe. And in Python, we have a two types of data types, sir. And we'll go one by one. Suppose, what is the data type? Simple thing. Okay, data types are to describe. Okay, to describe type of data in variables. In variables. Suppose here I am giving in variables. Okay, like number, like int. Okay, float, float, string. Okay, some example I give it. In what situation we can use integer type, float type, everything I will show you one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay, sir, here character string both are same in our Python programming language. Here character and string both are same in our Python programming language. Now I am coming one by one. Okay, here, etc. So basically, in Python, we have two types of data types. Here I am coming. Okay, in Python having a two types of data type. Okay, two types of data types. Two types of data types. The first one is nothing but a fundamental data types. Fundamental data types. The second one is a collection data type. Collection data type. Very, very important and very, very powerful, sir. First one is a fundamental data type. The second one is a collection data type. I'm coming with this one slowly. Okay, with diagrammatically, please understand. Okay, first one is a fundamental data type. Second one is a collection data type. Then, sir, what situation we can use fundamental and what are the fundamental data type? Then second one is what? Collection data type. In what time we can use collection data type? So here I'm giving sir data types. Again, our data types are two types, sir. Okay, if possible, along with me, you can take diagram also, you will get more clarity. Data types, in that the first one is nothing but a what we call sir fundamental data type. Okay, the second one is a collection data type. So our data types are two types. First one is fundamental and second one is collection data type. Collection data type. Now I am coming, sir. Then what is the fundamental? Simple, my friend. Okay, fundamental data type can store one value within a one variable. Simple thing here, I am giving simple example. Which okay variable can store a single value. Single value is called fundamental data type. Fundamental data types, sir. Fundamental data types. Single variable, single value is called fundamental data type. Please understand, very, very important part, sir. Okay, slowly we are learning the programming language. Please understand. So which variable can store single value is called fundamental data type. Which variable can store single value, okay, in a variable, then what we call fundamental data type. Okay, fundamental data type. Then, sir, what are the fundamental data type? Before going to that, I will give the definition for collection also. Simple things are fundamental. What happen? One variable can store one value. But here coming the definition. Okay, single variable. Okay, single variable. Single. Okay, single variable can store can store can store more than one value. More than one value. More than one value is called a collection data type, sir. Collection data types. Single variable can store more than one value. But so if you store more than one value, okay, more than one value within a variable, sir, instead of variable, here I am going to using one word is called object, sir. One object can store more than one value. More than one value. Okay, more than one value is called collection type. Sir, in Python, the collection types are the first one is a list collection. Second one is a set. Third one is a tuple. Fourth one is a map collection. And fifth one is a string. Sixth one is a range. Sixth one is a range. So these all are the collection type. So why I given first this one? No, this is very biggest topic and very, very powerful topic in upcoming session. So these all are what we call collection type. And these all are can store more than one value within a single object. Single object. These are the collection data type. Right? Then what is a fundamental, sir? In fundamental, the first one is nothing but a int. Guys, understand. What is the purpose of int? Okay, int is nothing but a pure number. Pure number, sir. Please understand. Suppose if you want to store roll number, road number, room number, employee ID, student ID. In that case, we can go with the integer value. Suppose this 10, 120, 4,000, okay, 5,000, okay, now 45, okay, 90. So these all are the best example for integer type. Int. Int can store single variable, single value. Single variable, single value. That is what we call, sir, fundamental data type. First one is what? Integer. First one is a integer. Then second one is float. Float. Even this is also number, but it is a decimal number. Decimal number. So sometime I want to store point values, means 0.0 values. Then go with what? Decimal. But in what situation we can go? Guys, remember in reality. So suppose salary, when you're talking about the price, especially price, salary is a point value, sir. Account balance, phone pay balance, GPay balance, bonus, rate, price. Okay, these are the values. So when you are talking about the amount, then use a floating point value. Compulsory, you guys are use 0.0. Again, I am repeating, when you are talking about IDs, room, student ID, room number, road number, employee ID, then go with what? Integer type. Suppose I am talking about the, price, then you guys are go with, okay, floating point value. Suppose, 300.99. Suppose salary is 75,000 75 paisa. In this situation, you guys are go with floating point value. It is also number. And third one, sir, complex number. Complex number. It is also number, but suppose when you are going to working with mathematical operation, especially in group theory, then go with what? Complex. It is a number, but first number is constant, and second number is nothing but a imaginary value. IRJ, anything you can use it. Okay, when you are going to working with group theory, in that situation, we can use a complex type of value. The next, fourth one is a bull. Bull means it can store true, okay, true or false value. Boolean value, sir. It can store true or false value. The next fifth one is a string, sir. String, string. Suppose, in what situation? Group theory time, we can go with complex. Suppose I want to store yes or no option. Yes or no option. Are you married? Then you can say yes, true. Suppose not married, you can say false. In that case, you can go with Boolean type. Now, I want to give some property names. Property name, then go with what? String. Here, string is a collection of characters or group of characters. Group of characters, sir. And what situation, sir? Hospital name, your friend name, theater name, your blood group name, hospital name, hotel name, petrol bunk name. In that situation, we can go with a string value, my friends. So means when you are giving any property name, in that situation, you can go with a string data type. So these all are the best example for what we call fundamental data type. These all are can store single value. Single value, guys. Now I am coming, okay, single value. So very important, please. So suppose here I am giving, names are I given the Yakub proper, but here employee name. So I given, one more name, CareerIT within double quote. Okay, CareerIT, CareerIT. I'm giving one more, no, something called, Priya. Okay, Priya, some name. And I'm giving hotel name, Vivera. Okay, Vivera, like this I given. Some property names are nothing but a strings. So this is what data types. Okay. And this is which data types are? These are the fundamental type. Fundamental what will do? Okay, it can store, okay, single value within a single variable. Now I am coming with example, you will get more clarity. The second type is nothing but a collection type. Means a single variable can store multiple values, group of values. Then go with what? A collection data type. So collection will take minimum 3 to 4 days. It's a big story, my friends. We'll see many concepts in string. That is very powerful concept. Just I given the definition here. Now I am going to focusing on which one? Fundamental type. Some example I am giving, sir. Example I am giving here. Okay, example I am giving for fundamental data types. Fundamental data types, sir. Clearly I am coming here. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types. Sir, Now here I am coming some example, you will get more clarity, right? So how to declare. I am coming first, I am going with the integer. Sir, roll number 120 is a integer type. And again, I'm coming back, my friends. In other programming language, basically we can declare the variable static type. How, sir? Int roll number is equal to 120. And int will tell you, oh, 120 is nothing but a integer number. So this kind of declaration in C, C++, and Java. But Python can support dynamic type declaration. Means just I given roll number is nothing but a variable name, 120 is nothing but a value. But sir, okay, manually I know, just you explain me. When I am giving pure number is integer, manually I know, but I know that programmatically if you want to know the given variable value is what type. Yesterday I given one function, sir. Here you can use one function is what type of a roll number you can use it. So when you say type of roll number, our Python virtual machine runtime given back response is nothing but it is a int. Look, sir, it is a int. Now I am going to showing you it practically. First understand. Roll number 120. Right? Now I am talking about road number, sir. Road number is equal to 2. And we know manually here, a road number is a variable name, 2 is a value. Sir, I want to know data type of a road number. Road number. Then what happened here? You can use a class and simply you can use the int. This one you are not giving, sir. Our Python virtual machine will give the response. So again, I'm repeating, when you're talking about pure numbers, then go with what? Integer data type. The next one. Next one, sir. Now I'm talking about salary. Here, salary is nothing but a variable name. 4500.99. It is nothing but a what we call our floating point number, decimal number, manually. But I want to know practically, programmatically, then use a type of salary, you can use it. Then automatically runtime Python virtual machine return back you, then class is nothing but a float. Okay, class is nothing but a float, guys. So this one you are not giving. Okay, our PVM return back to you. Okay, the next I am coming with rate. Rate is nothing but suppose, okay, 100 rupees. Our barter is 99.00. Okay, then we know, sir, point value. If you want to know programmatically type of rate, you can use it. Okay, automatically, okay, it can return back a class, class, and he will give the float value. Again, when you are talking about the price, then go with what? A floating point value. Then I am coming with, sir, I want to give some property names. Name. Name is equal to, here I given, KSV. We know, sir, group of characters is nothing but a string. In Python, string can declare within double quote and single quote. Sir, I want to know type of data type. Then use type name. Then automatically PVM can return back you class single quote str, means it is a string type. Then name two. Suppose name two, I am giving the hotel name. Okay, hotel name I given. Hotel name. Hotel name is nothing but suppose I am giving the Vivera Hotel. Vivera, like this I given. It is a hotel name, sir. Sir, you want to know type. Okay, what type would you type? Then use it. Type hotel name. Hotel name you can use. Automatically, PVM return back to you. What happened? Class str. So when you are going with property name, these are the string types, sir. Then next I am giving, sir, grade. Grade. Suppose I given the single value. Guys, understand. Actually, other programming language, which value you are giving with a single code, that is a character. But in Python, character string both are same. Even you can give single value or group of character, and this is what our string type. Then you can type of a grade. You can use it, and automatically it can return back class single quote str sir. Please understand how
Do
I am going declaring one by one.
do we have
Okay.
any limitations for string?
See, I'll tell you, let this hold. I'll tell you all the question answer. Please let me finish this one. Okay. You can ask later, please. Okay. I will give time for you. Okay. Then this is what our types are. Now I am coming here. Okay. This declaration. Now I am going with complex. So complex, as a developer, complex can use rare, sir. So tomorrow, who are going to working with data analytics, machine learning, those guys can use a more complex data type. But I am going to use com is equal to 10 plus something 20 j I given, sir. So if you define like this, okay, automatically it's a complex value. You want to know it, then type up something COM. You can automatically PVM will give like this, uh, you know, class, I'm giving single quote, complex I given, complex I given, sir. Complex type. The next, I want to store Boolean value, sir. Suppose B1 is equal to true. We know, sir, here B1 is nothing but our variable name. I want to know data type of B1. Then use a type of B1. Automatically, PVM can return back you class something called bool. In what situation we can go the Boolean type? Okay. Now I am asking married, true, unmarried, false. So when you say yes or no answer, at that time you can use the Boolean type. Suppose B2 is equal to, here I given the false. Okay, you want to know it the type of a B2. Okay, here I given, class. Okay, and simply I given the bool. Right? No, these are the 5 types clearly I given, my friends. Okay, like this we are going to declaring the data type. Okay, simply these are the example you must be remember. Sir, everything you given in notepad, sir. Sir, please, can you show me practically? Yes, I am going that part only, sir. Please understand. Today I am going to showing you this all example with in console, sir. Console later we can go with graphical user interface also. First, you can go into console, sir. Then what happens are here, you can use a CMD command from just you can open it. Okay, after complete installation, okay, here we can see one by one. Okay, and here you can type a Python, right? And now just I opened my Python shell. No, my Python is happily working here, my friends. Please understand. So working. Now I am coming one by one. Here a roll number is equal to 10 I given. Manually we know it is a integer type. Sir, I want a data type. Then what happened? Type of okay, roll number. Look, sir, it is a integer type. Suppose I am giving, okay, EMP ID means employee ID is a double line, sir. I want to know data type of that one. Print type of EMP ID, sir. Like this, you can use it. Hit, sir. If you want to print EMP ID value, then use a print, okay, my ID, my ID is equal to comma EMP ID, you can use it. Now it is going to printing my IDs. Sir, how I am declaring, how I am going to printing, understand. Slowly we started learning the programming concept. Right? Now here I am giving names, sir. Name is equal to, suppose I given the, CareerIT. CareerIT. I declare name is a variable name. Career IT is nothing but a value. Now I want to know data type of career IT. Now later I'm going to printing also. Then what happens? Then use a print, then use a type of name you can use it. String type. Sir, I want to print that value. What happens? Single quote, my name is equal to comma. Just you can use the name, sir. Single quote name, and here is the name. Simply, my name is Career IT. So understand how we are going to declaring and how we are going to know the data type and how we are going to printing the data. The next one, I am giving B1. B1 is equal to having true value. Sir, I want to know data type of B1. Then use a print type of B1. Automatically is a Boolean type. I want to print that value, right? Okay, print my B1, B1 value is equal to, I'm giving different formats, like this also we can print different format. Then I said, okay, my B1 value is true. Sir, how I am going to print the format also you can observe here. Right? Suppose I given B2 is equal to false value I given. I want to know data type and printing, right? And this time I am giving two values in same statement. We can use it, no issue. Then I given type of B2 printed, comma, and I given double quote. My B2 value is equal to open curly brace. B2 is a format actually. Like this, we can print it. Look, sir. At a time, I printed type and our value also printed. So how many ways I am going to printing output statement? Observe carefully. Then I am giving complex value. Com is equal to 10 plus something 60j I given. Then I want to know data type, sir, and value. Then use a type of COM I given comma. I want to print the format. Okay. The com value is equal to open curly brace. Use the com double quotes. Then like this we can use it. Look here. No, the type also printing. The value also is printed. Like a group theory. Remember that part. Now integer is came. String is came. Boolean is came. Complex also came. Now I am talking about our floating point value. Then salary is equal to here again 4,500.99 I given. We know manually it's a floating point value, but I want to know the programmatically. Then use a type of salary. Then give comma, and here you can give the my salary is equal to open curly brace. Use the salary value. So like this, you can declare and know the data type and printing the value. Guys, understand, because these all are the variable input statements and print is a output statement. Type is a knowing type. Knowing type. So this is the required to practice, my friends. So this complete story I am giving in my notes. And after completing the session, you guys also do same story, my friends. Okay. And this is nothing but our variables and data type story. Now, so clearly I given information. Now I am giving small assignment to you. Okay. Small assignment to you. And there you guys are. No, there you guys are identify the variable type. Okay. There you can use a there whatever is there you can use a give variable. Give me 1 minute. It's looking very lengthy story, right? No problem. Okay, give me 1 minute. Class bill. So right now, okay, this is what our story clearly I given to you. Guys, understand here I am giving small task. Okay, small task, you will get more clarity. And Python book. Right. Here is the Python book. I'll send you, okay, tomorrow this part. And this books is very, very important. Okay. Me only created for you, my friends. And guys, is the Python variable story. Observe carefully here. Observe carefully, everyone. Okay, observe carefully, everyone. Sir, Python variables. Now tell me, I'm asking one by one. Okay, please give me your answer, sir. Okay, give me your answer. Right. Account number. Tell me, sir, account number. What happened? Account number means what? Here you can give your value. Suppose my number is 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like declare. Number is what? Number type. Then type. To the type is what, sir? It is a integer type. I'm explaining one, remaining you can do. Name. Name always it is double quote single quote. Here I given the name is what? Sai. Just you can give the value, right? And type is nothing but a string. Age. Something called 25 is a number.
Integer.
And it is an integer type. Balance. Tell me, balance.
Float. Float.
Then give the value and then use the
Float data type.
very good. And a pin. Pin number is what? 5 not
Integer, sir.
0 0 1 sir. It is what type?
Integer.
It is a
Integer.
integer. If you practice like this, you guys are perfect in programming language. Married. Married.
Boolean.
I given
Boolean.
false. False. Then bull.
Boolean.
Gender.
Boolean.
Male.
Boolean.
It is
I given
Boolean,
male,
Boolean.
sir.
String.
Okay. Now it
String.
is a
String.
string.
Okay.
IFSC code, combination of
Integer.
Integer.
is
Complex.
I, 0 0 0 1.
Alphabetic number code.
String.
Integer.
Mail ID, ABC,
String. It's our
gmail.com.
string.
String. String. Address, string. Are you
String.
understand? Ah.
Integer.
And now, guys, I know you guys are excellent. I hope you understand. Okay. Now what I will do, my dost? Sir, wait. Okay, I understand your happiness, but give me my time also, right? Right. What I will do, my friends, take this, this box and this box and this box, right? Then what I will do, okay, please do everyone and please write in your note and give me in your chat box. I am waiting for your response. And don't do lumbo jumbo. Please, I am waiting your response. Respond me, give me the answer in our WhatsApp. At the same time, here our group also. Now start, guys. Now you are my student. So now you can give me the response.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Now.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yes, I will come doubt. Do this hero, right? Sir,
Sir,
life
in
is a doubt.
declaration of variable,
Wait.
variable can
Let me.
store the multiple values.
No, you can declare it. Why not, hero? Suppose I am coming. Okay, you know that example, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to, here 100 value. Okay,
I
comma.
mean, single variable can store the multiple values.
The cinema is collection. Okay, later we'll see the movie. Okay,
Okay,
don't ask that one. Right? I told you
okay, sir.
that is biggest story. Okay, just follow my rule, follow my instruction. Are you understand? Arey, why
Okay,
hurry, hurry, hero? Right? Are you
okay,
understand?
sir.
Okay, please follow what I am going to explaining. Just follow. Wait. ఓపిక అనేది చాలా అవసరం మనిషికి.
ఓకే సార్.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఓకే
ఓకే.
సార్.
ఒకటేసారి పెద్ద పెరగలేదు కదా. ఓకే. ఒకటేసారి 21 ఇయర్స్ వచ్చావా? ఫస్ట్ 1,
లేదు
2, 3, 4, 5 పెరుగుకుంటూ వచ్చావు. అవునా కదా?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
అన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఓపిక అనేది ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే కదా స్టార్ట్ అయింది సినిమా. థియేటర్కి వెళ్తే డైరెక్ట్ క్లైమాక్స్ చూపిస్తాడా?
అట్లా కుదరదు కదా సార్.
మరి ఇది కూడా అంతే నాన్న, ఓపిక ఉండాలి. అన్ని నేనే చెప్తున్నా కదా. ఇక
ఓకే సార్.
క్లైమాక్స్ చూపిస్తే ఇక నువ్వు బయటకు వచ్చే మరి ఎందుకు 3 అవర్స్ సైలెంట్ గా కూర్చుంటావు కదా. ఇది కూడా అంతే,
అంతే సార్.
కొంచెం ఓపిక అనేది అవసరం.
ఉమ్.
నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది, మీకు బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది చెప్పేసి, కానీ వినాలి, క్లారిటీ ఉంటది కదా. అలాగని మీకు రాదని కాదు, ఆల్రెడీ మీకు సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలుసు. కాకపోతే మనం వింటా అంటే ఓ మజా వస్తూ ఉంటుంది కదా. అది అది నీకు, నువ్వు విన్నది ఒక విధంగా ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేది ఇంకా క్లియర్ గా ఉంది కాబట్టి నీకు అర్థం. నువ్వు నాకు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నావు, నేను హ్యాపీ కదా. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. యువర్ ఆస్కింగ్
అంటే
క్వశ్చన్ మీన్స్ వాట్, యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ మై వే ఆఫ్ టీచింగ్, రైట్?
ఓకే సార్.
ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ
డిక్లరేషన్ ఆఫ్
హ్యాపీ.
వేరియబుల్ దగ్గర చూసాం కదా సార్. అది సింగిల్
ఓకేనా?
వేరియబుల్, సింగిల్ వాల్యూ, మల్టిపుల్ మల్టిపుల్ అని చూసాం కదా సార్. నాకు నాకు ఇంకో తెలియని డౌట్ అనేది రేజ్ అయింది సార్, అంతే.
నేను చెప్తున్నానా, ఐ ఫీల్
ఓకే
వెరీ
సార్, ఐ
హ్యాపీ.
అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్.
ఐ
ఐ హ్యావ్
ఫీల్ వెరీ
అనదర్ డౌట్ సార్.
ఓకే. వెయిట్, గివ్